a Texan shave, steel in hand, traditional wet, shaving smooth and grand.
Howdy, and welcome back to a Texan Shaves. It's Friday afternoon, but you won't be seeing this till Saturday. Just got home from work, and I needed to shave. I'm preparing to go out of town. I've got a trip to Corpus Christi for police chief show, Texas police chief show down there. But I hadn't shaved since, I guess right after Shave Masters? I'm not sure. Anyway, so what I'm using today is Denton Majik's D24. This is a new one from Denton Majik, at least new to me. Man, I love the fragrance. So Denton Majik D24 is inspired by the modern elegance of H24 with the grounded masculinity of Terre de Hermes. This scent strikes perfect balance between fresh energy and rugged earth. So the scent notes are top of fresh citrus and green aromatics, a heart of mineral notes, clary sage and herbal accords, base notes of earthy woods, subtle spice, and warm vetiver. I've got it mixed up with my Shamrock Shaving Customs honeycomb brush. And look at that crazy lather I've got going on in the beautiful Shamrock Shaving Customs brush there. Using my Captain's Choice Obsidian Copper Bowl here. And for the razor, something new, guys. For the past week or so, I have been test driving a prototype razor from Maxwell June. And this razor is the same. It's their DE razor, but it is in aluminum. As you can see here, it is anodized in their gunmetal finish like they have in their double edge razor, their twin blade razor. I have the EX cap, as you can see. I got permission today to finally show this razor after giving my feedback and some suggestions. Now, again, this is a prototype, so the fit and finish isn't complete. But it is, I would say it's about 80% there. But man, it shaves just as amazing as the stainless steel DE. I'm going to use it today, and I'll be talking more about it later, probably after I get back from my trip. Yeah, a lot of awesome stuff coming from Maxwell June, man. I'm really loving their DE razor. I know it's been a while since I've used one of them. Let's get the glasses off and the face wet, at least on a video. And oh, this fragrance is so good. All right, got so much in this brush. Let me scrape some of that off. Amazing game changer base from Denton Majik. I just realized I didn't change shirts. I'm still in my work shirt, so I'm going to have this all over my shirt collar. Get a little bit more of that lather. I think I scraped a little too much off. There we go. I am not much of a bowl latherer anymore. So I always feel like I'm out of practice whenever I do use a bowl. But, you know, I guess it's kind of like riding a bike, right? I have a first use Persona Gym DE blade. Really enjoying those blades. I used this razor this morning from a head shave. Had a fantastic head shave with it. Just as smooth and clean shaving as the stainless, just in a lighter format. So I'm going to be gone. I'll try to get a travel video up, maybe two, I don't know. It's going to be pretty busy. But I'm going to be gone from Sunday until about Thursday, I think, is when I'm getting home. So what are these shows like I go to? Well, they're like any other trade show. Not that anybody's actually asking that, but I guess maybe somebody wonders. Just a lot of companies that provide services and products for law enforcement field showing their wares. There's a lot of business we gain from these shows. Fantastic. This second pass. So I got elected to drive the vehicle to Corpus Christi that we are going to be showing in the show, and it is one of the Midland PD units we build. Can't remember how many we're doing this round. This is our second round for Midland PD. It's quite a few. It's a patrol unit, and I was talking to some people today. Some people seem to think that it's all fun and games being able to drive a police vehicle, but it's not, guys. It's not. People see you and they slow down. It takes forever to get anywhere because everybody's slowing down in front of you, slowing down beside you, scared to pass you. And it's a bit annoying. You know, the novelty wore off after the first couple of years of driving a police car. And now it's just kind of not that much fun, especially when you're just trying to get somewhere. It's always neat whenever you're training somebody new in our business and they've never got to be that close to a police vehicle or inside one or play with the sirens and lights and stuff like that, and you think, I used to be like that. I guess kind of like when you're new to wet shaving, all the craziness and everything's new and shiny. Except that I'm not tired of my job either, but sitting or driving a police vehicle doesn't excite me as much as it used to is all. I am planning, I know I said it before for last weekend, but a lot of things came up, but I am planning on tomorrow for you guys, so it'll be your tomorrow, having a video up with an update on Blizzard battles. Full list of the artisans competing, some updates on how things are going to proceed through the battles, and all that good information. I've pretty much closed the entry door for any other artisans, but you know, I'll entertain if any of them show up. The problem is there's 18 of them right now, I think, if I'm remembering correctly, including Denton Majik. And it's going to be hard for me to get through them all. I'm going to have to, I used to just do one a week, was the Blizzard battles. I would do it every Sunday, but I'm going to have to do at least 2 a week to get through all of these. So it's going to be hard for me to get a normal shave in through this process. But yeah, it'll be interesting to see, definitely, how I knock this out. Look at this beautiful lather. Man, it smells so good. Oh, I'm not familiar with either of these fragrances. Or H24. But I may have to go and get my nose on it now. Compare it. Yeah, it's so good. Can't wait to get to the splash as usual. All right. Final pass. I honestly don't think, even if I tried, I could nick myself with this razor. That is how smooth it is. Now, for those of you that may not remember or aren't aware, there are different top caps available for the Maxwell June DE instead of base plates, and that's how it adjusts the efficiency by blade exposure. So the EX has more blade exposure than the standard, and then there's a third plate that's even more mild for sensitive skin that has even less blade exposure. This razor gives me a fantastic shave every time with no worries. Definitely autopilot. And for me, it's even better now with this one on the head shaves because I'm not having to fight the weight of the stainless steel. I have no idea what's left for them to do on this, so I have no idea when it's coming out. I'm just able to talk a little bit about it and show it. But I am looking forward to the final version. Fantastic. All right. Gonna get a rinse, come back up for the splash. My final thoughts. Be right back. All right. See if I can clean all the soap off my collar here. Oh, that was a great shave. Oh yeah, gone. BBS. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful shave. Man, I am excited, so excited for the Mayberry trilogy. And I believe the pre-order is still open for that at Denton Majik. It is 3 sets, soap and splash, of Mayberry Man, Old Fife, and Pink Floyd. 3 I've been trying to get my hands on forever. When I first found out about them, was looking for them. They were already kind of sold out / not really discontinued, I guess. Well, some of them were pulled off the site, but they weren't coming back anytime soon. And then Denton Majik went on their hiatus, and I thought for sure I would never see one of any of them. And now they're coming back. I can't wait. I definitely, oh, that's good. I definitely ordered mine the day it became available. Oh, that's, wow, that is nice. What is that? It must be the sage. Is there? I'm gonna need my glasses. Hold on. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see this because it's so small, but right where my fingernail is at, menthol. Love it. Oh my gosh, I was like, wait a minute. I know that feeling. I had no idea. I was not expecting that. Oh, that is nice. So check it out, guys. If you haven't been back to Denton Majik in a while, they do have their doors open again, guys, and I've been welcoming them back with open arms. I've loved Denton Majik. Love the size of the 2-ounce jars. I know some of you aren't a fan. I am. I love the smaller size. It's one of the things that drew me to them. Fantastic, fantastic game changer base. If you've never tried them, the prices are extremely fair as well because of the size. Find your peace and what and where you can. We'll see you next time on a Texan Shaves. Goodbye.